Engines don't die suddenly. They slowly suffocate, grind, and cook themselves to death because most drivers ignore the small stuff that actually matters. But here's the truth most mechanics won't tell you. A few 2-minute habits done consistently can keep your engine running strong for 300,000 miles or more. Today, I'm breaking down the exact checks that separate cars that last from cars that get traded in early. Stick around until the end because the bonus habit is one that quietly destroys electrical systems and leaves drivers chasing expensive ghosts. Let's dive in. Habit number 15. Check engine oil. Imagine metal parts spinning at 6,000 RPM with zero protection. That's what happens the moment your oil gets low or turns into sludge. Every bearing, piston ring, and camshaft lobe depends on that microscopic film of oil. Lose it, and you're looking at thousands in damage within minutes. Oil doesn't just lubricate, it cools, cleans, and protects. Fresh oil keeps everything gliding smoothly. Dirty oil turns into a corrosive abrasive that slowly eats your engine from the inside out. Here's the non-negotiable routine. Pick one day a month, pop the hood, pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and check again. The level should sit between the marks, and the color should be light amber, almost golden. If it's dark like coffee or feels gritty, it's time for a change. Low? Top it up with exactly what your manual calls for. This 90-second habit has saved people I know from $4,000 to $8,000 engine rebuilds. Treat your oil like the lifeblood it is, because if your oil is compromised, nothing else you do will save the engine. Habit number 14. Inspect coolant reservoir. Engines don't usually just wear out. They overheat and die young because owners never check the coolant. 10 minutes of overheating can warp heads and destroy an engine that was otherwise perfect. Once a month, when the engine is completely cold, open the hood and look at the coolant reservoir. The levels should sit comfortably between the min and max lines. But here's what most people miss: the color. It should be vibrant, bright green, orange, or pink, depending on your vehicle. If it looks like rusty mud or chocolate milt, you've got contamination, probably a head gasket. That's a repair that can financially wreck you. Only add the exact type your manual specifies. Never mix different colors. 2 minutes here can prevent a catastrophe that turns your daily driver into an expensive paperweight. Habit number 13. Check PCV valve. This tiny, cheap part is one of the most ignored killers in modern engines. When the PCV valve clogs or fails, pressure builds inside the crankcase, seals blow, oil leaks everywhere, and you start burning blue smoke. The PCV system is your engine's breath control. It recycles harmful vapors instead of letting them escape. When it stops working, your engine literally chokes on its own blow-by. Once a month, pull the valve out and shake it. You should hear a distinct rattle. No rattle? Replace it. While you're there, check the hoses for cracks. These parts cost next to nothing, but ignoring them leads to expensive oil leaks and sludge buildup. Keep this valve working and your engine can actually breathe properly. Habit number 12. Inspect spark plugs. Your engine might be running on half its cylinders right now, and you'd barely notice until the power drops, the mileage tanks, and the check engine light finally comes on. Spark plugs are the heartbeat of combustion. When they wear out, the spark gets weak, fuel burns inefficiently, carbon builds up, and misfires begin. Once a month, pull one plug and look at it. A healthy plug is tan or light gray. Black and sooty, oily, or burned? Time for a new set. While you're in there, inspect the coil boots or plug wires for cracks and burning. Fresh plugs give you sharper throttle response, smoother idle, and better fuel economy. Don't wait for a misfire to tell you they're done. Habit number 11. Clean battery terminals and cables. That dreaded click, click, click when you turn the key? 9 times out of 10, it's not a dead battery. It's corrosion and poor connections silently strangling your electrical system. Corroded terminals make your starter, alternator, and every sensor work harder than they should. This leads to weird electrical gremlins, random warning lights, rough running, even transmission shifting issues. Once a month, inspect the terminals. See white or green crust? Mix baking soda and water, scrub everything clean, tighten the connections, and finish with a light coat of dielectric grease. Clean power delivery keeps everything from the starter to the ECU happy. Habit number 9. Check transmission fluid. Your transmission is one of the most expensive components in your vehicle, yet most drivers never check its fluid until it starts slipping or grinding. Transmission fluid should be bright red or pink and smell clean. Dark brown with a burnt smell means it's cooked and your transmission is in trouble. If your vehicle has a dipstick, check it monthly with the engine warm and running. Use only the exact fluid specified in your manual. This simple check can prevent a $4,000 to $6,000 transmission failure. Habit number 8. Listen for unusual noises. Your car talks to you every time you drive. Most people just turn up the radio and ignore it. A deep knock under acceleration can mean dangerous detonation. A ticking sound might be lifters starving for oil. Squealing belts, grinding bearings, hissing vacuum leaks, each sound is an early warning. Once a month, turn everything off, roll down the windows, and just listen. New sounds should never be ignored. Catching them early turns $1,000 repairs into $100 fixes. Habit number 7. Check air filter. Your engine breathes about 10,000 gallons of air for every gallon of fuel. A clogged air filter forces it to suffocate. Pull the filter and hold it up to the light. If you can't see daylight through it, your engine is struggling. Replace it. Clean filters improve throttle response, fuel economy, and overall performance.
Habit number 6. Use fuel system cleaner and stick to top-tier fuel. Dirty injectors and carbon buildup quietly rob your engine of power and efficiency. A quality fuel system cleaner every month combined with top-tier gasoline keeps injectors spraying perfectly and combustion chambers cleaner. Skip the cheap additives, invest in proven products and better gas. Your engine will reward you with smoother operation and better longevity. Habit number 5. Inspect belts and hoses. A $25 belt or $15 hose can destroy a $6,000 engine in under 5 minutes if it fails. Look for cracks, glazing, and fraying on belts. Squeeze hoses, they should feel firm, not soft or brittle. Replace anything that looks questionable. This 2-minute inspection prevents roadside breakdowns and catastrophic overheating. Habit number 4. Look for fluid leaks under the car. Park over a clean spot or cardboard once a month and look for fresh drops. Dark oil, red transmission fluid, green or orange coolant, each tells a story. Finding leaks early means fixing them while they're still cheap. Habit number 3. Check tire pressure and alignment. Underinflated tires make your engine work much harder than necessary. Check pressures when tires are cold using the sticker on the driver's door. Uneven wear or pulling means alignment issues that also stress your drivetrain. Proper tire maintenance reduces engine load and saves fuel. Habit number 2. Drive the car hard. Short trips and babying your engine leads to carbon buildup and lazy components. Once a month, after everything is fully warmed up, take it out and drive it with purpose, higher RPMs, spirited acceleration. This Italian tune-up burns off deposits and keeps everything moving freely. Habit number 1. Always use the parking brake. Don't put the full weight of your car on the transmission's parking pawl every single time you park. Use the parking brake properly, set it first, then shift into park. This simple habit prevents expensive transmission damage and keeps the brake cables working. Bonus habit: check and clean engine grounds. Corroded or loose engine grounds cause more mysterious electrical problems than almost anything else. Once a month, find the main ground cables, clean the contact points, and make sure connections are tight. Clean grounds mean reliable starts and no phantom issues. Master these habits and your engine will reward you with years of reliable, powerful performance. If you found this valuable, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which habit you're going to start this week. See you in the next one.